been a lot of tech companies recently reporting that they are shedding staff, and Spotify is the latest. Bloomberg sources citing unnamed people, suggesting that Spotify could well see some large numbers of staff going at the company. What happens when a business reports that it's shedding staff? Quite often you see the stock rising. And if you look at what's been happening with Spotify stock recently, it's been rising ahead of this news. And in fact, it's up against the red line, which is the 200-day moving average, closing out Friday's session at 97.94. Whilst we don't know how many jobs are going, this could well be positive news for the stock, and we could well see it end up trading past the highs that we saw back in October last year as a result of this. Now, last week, Alphabet was in the news. It was reported on Reuters that it would be cutting jobs. The press agency said on Friday the Google parent company Alphabet plans to eliminate around 12,000, about 6% of its workforce. And we saw Microsoft come out with recent news as well. Same sort of thing, that we've got this stock lifting off the recent lows. Microsoft said on January the 18th it would cut around about 10,000 jobs, or about 5% of its staff. On the 5th of January, Amazon announced 18,000 job cuts. And Meta Platforms, another one, cutting staff, said it would eliminate around about 11,000 jobs. Technology firms based in the US announced 97,000 job cuts in 2022, according to data from Challenger Gray & Christmas, which is the most that we've seen in terms of job shedding since 2002. And according to provisional figures from the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, the tech sector still employed around about 4.4 million people in December 2022, nearly 500,000 more than in February 2020, the month before COVID-19 hit America. So there are still large numbers of people in the sector, but it looks like those numbers could well be reduced further by this recent news from Spotify.